Hola muchachos y muchachas! Guess what? I had recorded a whole video already showing you all the products I am wearing, and the sound sounded like this. Okay, that was a lightning thunder sound and it scared the bejeebies out of me. Sorry. Okay. It sounded like this. London Ultimate Bronzing Powder in the shade Warm Bronze. And so all of the footage that I had was unable to be used. So I'm going to give you a more quicker, briefer, words, Alicia. A quicker tutorial about the products, how I'm liking them. I've been wearing them for a few hours. So I'm just going to show you what I got in my Boxy charm. And hi, welcome to my channel, by the way. I'm Alicia. I love everything beauty, photography, teaching. So if you are into those things, welcome to our community, our little online family in our corner of the internet. And if you've been watching my videos so far, you know I have a giveaway. So at the end of this video, I am announcing our giveaway winner. So let's get started. Alright, so this video is about my Boxy charm. I get a Boxy charm each month with 5 full products that I get to try and have and keep. I paid $25 for my box. If you have never heard of Boxy charm, I think this is a really great way to get to know different brands without having to pay the heavy price of them. Each month they give you this nice little card. On the back of it, it has the list of the products, a little detail, and the pricing of it. And each month, the added price of all the products is way more than the $25 you have to pay. So if you like makeup and you just want to try new things out, I definitely suggest Boxy charm. I know there's like Ipsy out there. I have tried Ipsy. I do prefer Boxy charm over Ipsy. Maybe I can make a Boxy charm video later explaining what I use, how I got it, and why I prefer this one. But let's jump into our first product. So the first product that I am starting with is this serum from Clara's New York. This serum, let me see, is $24.99. So there's the price of what I paid for this month. It is a blend of retinol and vitamin E oils and intensifies and stimulates and moisturizes your face with creating elasticity, and just looks like it's a very good serum for you. I definitely liked this. I have the nose of a hound, like a saying, I don't know. But I have this nose that like I smell things so intensely and it stays in my nose. And so I'm always a little nervous on like skin products because once they're there, they're on your face and you can smell them. But this, you know, it doesn't smell like anything. It's nice and it was pretty moisturizing. I definitely liked this in my Boxy charm. The second thing that I'm going to be showing you is, where is it? A moisturizer. So I got this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. This one was a little concerning to me because it said, it says use AM and PM, apply an even layer to skin. But then I read on here, on this card, let me see, where is it? Where did I read this? It says, avoid contact with eyes, sunburn alert. This product contains an alpha hydrox acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and it could do this the day you're wearing it or weeks after. So it was a little concerning. I did like it. It felt moisturizing, but I think this I would only use it as a PM so I could wash it off in the morning and not have to worry about getting sunburnt because I'm from Arizona and so like I'm not gonna get away from the sun. That was our second product. That product was $70. So $70 for this moisturizer thing. I'll keep using it to let you know. Oh wow, it does a great job focusing. But I'll keep using it and I'll let you know if I like it or not. Okay, the next product that I really, spoiler alert, I really liked is this Hydration Happy Hydrating Face Mist from the brand Mana Kadra Beauty. It says it's from the Dead Sea and has minerals in it and has all these different ingredients like calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium, and it smells delicious. So it does have a fragrance, but thankfully I really like how it smelled. You put it underneath your face, so it's kind of like acts like a primer, I guess. It is very dewy, and like I have very dry skin, but I've been seeing that today it's very dewy, very shiny, so this is definitely something I really liked. And the price for this one was $19. Alright, next thing that I got on my BoxyCharm was this iconic London, sorry, let me clean it off really quick, it got kind of dirty, bronzing powder. So I actually found out about iconic London through BoxyCharm. I've gotten like, what have I gotten? I think I got a serum. I don't know. I don't want to like, I don't remember what I've gotten, but I know that I really like their products. I actually got a face palette with highlights and blushes and bronzer. So, look at this heavy duty product that you get. Oh, it's having trouble focusing. Okay, this is huge, first of all. And the mirror that it has right here, look, you can see yourself watching me. Ooh. This mirror is huge, so it's perfect for traveling. I really liked the shade. It was in the shade Warm Bronze, and it gave me the nicest glow. I'm very tan right now, so this was really nice to like darken my face a little bit, because my face doesn't seem to get as summer as my shoulders. My shoulders in the sun, like, instantly tan, like 3 shades darker. I don't know, just the way my skin is. Alright, and the last product that I got in this BoxyCharm was this Ditto Venus palette. It's a limited edition. I've never heard of this brand, Ditto, but it's like the cutest little planet. Typically when I get BoxyCharm, if I get a face, like an eyeshadow palette, I typically give it to someone because I do have quite a bit of eyeshadow palettes for, you know, a plain Jane girl that just started YouTube. So I like to give them, but this one was just so dreamy and beautiful. It has a pretty nice sized mirror, good quality. And I really like the shade right here, Venus, because it gives you a nice glow. I use that as my highlight today. And Jupiter I also used on my nose, so it gave me that nice little glow. Just a really beautiful palette. And look how cute. Let's see if you can see this. Gorgeous. I love it. It's just cute, and like the textures on it, and this shade right here is just so dreamy. I don't know if I would use this shade because it has big chunks of glitter, and I'm not the biggest glitter fanatic, but really cute. I really like this palette. I think overall this month's BoxyCharm was a huge win. I really, you know, I wasn't even expecting to get it this quickly, and I got it super quick, so I'm just super happy with BoxyCharm this month. Let me know what you got. Did you get the same products that I got? Do you want to know a little bit more about BoxyCharm? I can show you what we pay, how we get it, all the questions. I will say, BoxyCharm, if you ever see this video, your website's really confusing. So if you're looking into BoxyCharm, like, I totally get it if it confuses you because their options on different boxes are a little bit confusing. So I can make a video about that, explaining it a little bit more, just let me know down in the comments below. And anyways, let's get started with our giveaway. It started to rain, so you might hear it in the video. You definitely heard thunder earlier, but I was just so thankful. It's rained so much in Tucson this year. It's insane, and I love it, and I'm just so thankful that it's raining. Alright, so our giveaway winner wins 3 things this time. The first one is this Soul Shine and Bliss keychain that was made by an artist here in Tucson. She makes the cutest keychains, and so you are going to receive this keychain as part of the giveaway. You also will be receiving the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose palette. Has the cutest, most beautiful shades. I actually don't own this palette, so I'm very jealous of whoever wins this. And the last thing is a $25 gift card to Sephora. So I already did the giveaway before the audio went all crazy, and thankfully it was on my phone. So keep watching to find out who gives the giveaway or who wins the giveaway. Alright, here is the wheel I'm going to spin. It has all the contestants. Let's see who the winner is. I'm so excited! Raina, you have won the giveaway. Raina, I'll be reaching out to you in the comments. If you can give me your Instagram handle, and we will sort the giveaway. Congratulations to my winner! Yay! I hope that you love the products that you won. I will be doing more giveaways in the future, and hopefully, I say this, I sound like a broken record, I can start making videos more frequently. I'm now working from home. I'm no longer teaching full-time or teaching at all, so I will try to make more content for you. And if you like this video, please give it a like, or subscribe to my channel. It really helps us little gals out a little bit. But thank you. That was scary. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I always say, thank you for letting me be your loaf of bread. You can literally watch anything, anyone online, and you chose to watch this video. So I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!